Lover with you, love with you. Feel so true, feel so new. Love with you, love with you. Every moment just me and you.
Congratulations, Gia. Finally, you and Bong are going to tie the knot. I pray that everything will fall into place and your family will continue to serve the Lord together. Hope to see you soon and God bless. Congrats ulit!
Nakakainis ate, nakailang ano ako para sa'yo ha, video ha. Anyway ate, my second moment to ha. I know that this wish, it's very long ago and alam ko naman na deserve mo to and very soon it will come true. Congratulations for both of you ni Kuya. Even I know that your journey with him started already and I'm happy for you despite of the problems you had. Naging sandalan mo ako, naging sandalan kita, and I know you deserve the blessings na dumarating sa life mo, sa life nyo, and you deserve more than this, and God bless you more than this. I know you have a big heart. That's why despite and everything of problems you had, you're still come out, and I know you will come out from all of this, ate. And no much words can say, but I'm so proud of you, ate, and I salute you. You're one of my inspiration of my life journey, and thank you for being part of my life, and best wishes to your family. May God bless you more than this, okay? See you, ate. I love you.
Hi, Gaya. Good morning. Congratulations. And finally, matutupad na rin yung matagal mong inantay na ikakasal kayo ng Bongbong. And all the best. Oh, Eric, magsalita ka naman.
Congrats. Wish all the best.
Bye!
Hello po, Mommy. I can't wait to see you on your big day. See you soon. I love you. Love, Sky.
Hello guy, this is it, Pansit, joke. Anyway, finally, thank God and praise the Lord. This is what we've been praying for, and I can't wait to see you on our big day and to be with you forever. I love you. God bless. See you soon.
Lover with you, love with you. Feel so true, feel so new.